computers and electronics manufacturer Looking Glass Factory announced the development of its Hololuminescent Display, which lets users present 2D videos as a hologram on a portrait-oriented screen. The HLDs create the illusion that objects on screen are physically present despite appearing on a screen less than 1 inch thick. Additionally, the content on the displays can remain viewable from multiple angles by several people. LGF, founded in 2014 and headquartered in Brooklyn, designed the HLDs for presentations in public and commercial spaces. For example, users could display 3D spinning models of product ads, museum artifacts, or characters guiding groups around exhibitions. The technology blends a fixed holographic volume within the display's optical stack, producing genuine dimension and depth that makes products, characters, and people appear to float in space. According to LGF, the HLDs use a simple workflow that projects 2D videos onto the screens. After recording a video against a solid background, users can access template files provided in the Adobe Premiere Pro editing software and export them for deployment. The process supports 1080p and 4K content over regular USB and HDMI connections. LGF offers the displays in 3 standard sizes, 16, 27, and 86 inches, priced at $2,000, $4,000, and $20,000 respectively. The 16-inch model features a 1080p resolution, while the 27 and 86-inch screens provide 4K resolution. The company expects to ship the 16 and 27-inch HLDs by November or December of this year and roll out the 86-inch displays by February 2026.